Fine. So clear with the plate tectonics wala concept yesterday. You see the questions ka demand will be what is the commonly asked question, that is continental drift theory to plate tectonic theory. Fine. Second demand of the question will be plate tectonics and mountain building. Third demand of the question will be plate tectonics and earthquakes. Similarly, plate tectonics and volcanoes. Similarly, plate tectonics and highland arcs. Plate tectonics and tsunamis. Friends, this will be the demand of the questions. Give me the past year question booklet. And one very applied, you bought a new booklet? या वही है? कॉफी वाला ही है या नया? So, one question you take down is state the concept of plate tectonics. State the concept of plate tectonics. How does it help in explaining the formation of the Himalayas? How does it help in explaining formation of the Himalayas? Fine. Don't end the question. ये question देख के खुशी होगी direct, but UPSC बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी नहीं देगा. And Appalachians. And Appalachians. So where is Himalayas? You know. Abhi anyone can write about the Himalayas. It is an example of an continent-continent collision. Appalachians kya? Where are Appalachians? Huh? North America. Appalachian mountains are in the North America. So if this is the North America, रॉकीज पूछते तो इट इज वेरी इजी. अब उन्होंने पूछा है एप्लेशियंस. Right, so this is how this question is for 20 marks in 2014. बाकी का क्वेश्चंस आर more or less same. That is no need of writing the question. Write a short note on sea floor spreading. लिख सकते हो. स्ट्रक्चर रेडी है, कंसेप्ट एक्सप्लेन किया sea floor spreading का, इंट्रोडक्शन. यूपीएससी की लैंग्वेज यूज करो, यूपीएससी का ही क्वेश्चन यूज करो. दैट इज द अल्ट्रासाउंड और द sonar studies have given rise to numerous relief features on the oceans during the World War II. This gave rise to the sea floor spreading theory given by Professor Harry Hess. Have you written the sea floor spreading theory? Yes. So theory कुछ भी theory नहीं है, ये shown कि ऐसे होगा, evidences. Fine. Conclusion. End the conclusion with something future. Start the introduction with something back. Conclusion. The studies of sea floor spreading ultimately gave rise to the grand theory of plate tectonics in 1960s. Fine. उसके बाद और एक क्वेश्चन, नो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. विथ रेफरेंस टू द थियरी ऑफ प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स, explain the origin and the growth of young fold mountain systems of the world. Means with the help of plate tectonic theory, explain the formation of Andes, Rockies, Alps and Himalayas. Andes, Rockies अलग से लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, ये मतलब you don't have to write very separately. Andes and Rockies, continent ocean collision, सिर्फ लिखो कि एंडीज बाद में ड्यू टू पैसिफिक नाज़का प्लेट विद द यूरेशियन प्लेट विद द साउथ अमेरिकन प्लेट एंड द रॉकीज ड्यू टू द नॉर्थ अमेरिकन प्लेट विद द पैसिफिक प्लेट. फाइन. कम टू द एल्प्स. एल्प्स में अफ्रीकन प्लेट एंड यूरोपियन प्लेट. हिमालयास इंडियन प्लेट एंड एशियन प्लेट. Discuss the concept of volcanicity and state how the theory of plate tectonics explains the mechanism of volcanoes. Plate tectonics and volcanoes. Right? Discuss the limitations of the theory of continental drift and show how the theory of plate tectonics is improvement over continental drift. First, continental drift to plate tectonics. Write a short note on plate tectonics in about 200 words. Critically analyze the concept of plate tectonics and bring out the evidences to support it. ये थोड़ा tough है because plate tectonics is such a nice theory कि उसका critical analysis ही नहीं है. Right? It explains everything. कोई चीज़ when you make it on computers उसका क्या critical analysis होगा? So these are your past year questions. Can you realize the importance? After every 2 years there is one question on plate tectonics. Right? So this always prepare from this angle ki how the plate tectonics may be asked. हमेशा attempt a question on the plate tectonics because इसमें diagrams बहुत है and लिखने का कम है. Fine? Rather than a question जहाँ पे diagrams कम है and लिखने का ज़्यादा है. And I told you why you should be very strong in section A, Allahabad school versus Delhi school. Fine? So you can take down the plate tectonics. If you remember Darwin का evolution of the species, Darwinism influence in geography, that is the theory of the W.M. Davis कि how the landforms have evolved over the period of time, जैसे how the organism evolves. उसके बाद Penck, उसके बाद crisis in geography and ultimately geography का problem solved because of computers. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Quantitative revolution. And plate tectonics is an outcome of quantitative revolution in geography. Fine. Plate tectonics does it say कि अगर ये अर्थ है इसमें ऐसे हुआ तो ये आउटपुट मिलेगा? Does it say if there is a convergent plate boundary XYZ, if there is a divergent plate boundary XYZ, if there is a transform plate boundary XYZ? Is there cause and effect in plate tectonics? Is there cause and effect? You will call this as systems analysis. Fine. Very few people will try to relate the answer like this. उठाओ section B में से introduction में डालो. Examiner when he checks he gets happy because you have interrelated the subject and this shows that you know the subject very properly. Fine. Plate tectonics is an outcome of quantitative revolution and systems analysis in the geography because it gives an idea of how an input, if a certain, what is a system? Input, उसके बाद process, output. Fine. इस कंप्यूटर को हम क्या कहते हैं? कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, बिकॉज एक इनपुट दिया तो कुछ आउटपुट मिलेगा. वेदर सिस्टम्स, इनपुट दिया तो कुछ आउटपुट मिलेगा. फाइन. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज अ सिस्टम. इकोसिस्टम. फाइन. सो द वर्ड सिस्टम जो है, दिस इज ऑल एन गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम. So input and output. The only difference is in the humanities subject, outputs can be different because processing will be not computer, processing will be human mind. Fine. In the geography, geomorphology में processing is computers, not the human mind. So convergent plate boundary ये होगा, divergent plate boundary ये होगा. Fine. So the plate tectonic theory is a major theory in global tectonic systems. Tectonic system influenced by influenced by quantitative revolution, influenced by quantitative revolution and influenced by quantitative revolution and QUANTATIVE. Quantitative revolution, comma positivism. Positivism कुछ भी एक लिखना, इधर राइट क्वांटिटेटिव रिवोल्यूशन या पॉजिटिविज्म. बेटर इज द क्वांटिटेटिव रिवोल्यूशन. Positivism and systems analysis in physical geography. In the physical geography. What is positivism? What is positivism? कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. You know what is positivism? था ग्रेजुएशन में. क्या है positivism? What is positivism? Positivism is जहाँ पे there is no scope for romanticism. मतलब romanticism, हाँ ये होगा, वो होगा, ये हो सकता है, ये theory नहीं. Fact जो है, ये outcome है. That is positivism. Understanding? Everything should be proved by logic. If logic does not support that fact is wrong. Positivism in history, आपको social reformers में आएगा. Positivism, this is influence of positivism. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. If religion does not sanction good words, good deeds, change the religion. Rationality, the highest part of rationality is positivism. Fine. Poetry, humanities, kuch nahi, sirf science. The school of positivism just supports science. No irrationality, no romanticism, no you can speculation. It is against the school of speculation. जो दिखता है वो ही सच है. That is the positivism. Understanding? So this is the positivism का influence is quantitative revolution. Quantitative revolution का influence in geography is systems analysis. Fine. Speculation, continental drift. हाँ ऐसे हो सकता है, वैसे हो सकता है. Positivism, sea floor spreading. ये देखो ऐसे हो रहा है. Fine. और quantitative revolution. Why I am saying don't write positivism? Why quantitative revolution? Because इतना बड़ा world का mountains, earthquakes, इन सबको करने के लिए you require a data. Therefore, quantity, huge quantity of data. You feed them in the computers. Therefore, revolution. Understanding? Next point. The term plates was given by Wilson. कल ही हमने लिखा टूजो विल्सन was Wilson, Morgan and Mackenzie. सबने इंडिपेंडेंटली दिया था, याद रखना. It was first given by Wilson, then by Morgan and Mackenzie. The plates are solid lithospheric slabs. The plates are solid lithospheric slabs which slide on elastic or plastic asthenosphere. Extra things to remember. No need of writing in the answer. ये हो गया introduction. You have told what is the plates. But remember, lithosphere, I'm not dictating this, is crust plus uppermost mantle up to the depth of 80 kilometers. उसके बाद is the asthenosphere. Asthenosphere is upper mantle. Lithosphere is uppermost mantle. Next point. These plates experience continuous horizontal and vertical movements. Continuous horizontal and vertical movements which causes deformation of rocks on the earth's crust, which causes deformation of rocks or on the earth's crust, or in simple words, crustal rocks. Concept. Because of hot convectional currents in the mantle matlab which asthenosphere, because of the hot convectional currents in the mantle, the plates are continuously created and destroyed. The plates are continuously created and destroyed. Full stop. The effects of the movement of the plates, are mostly seen on their margins or boundaries. Effects of the movement of the plates are mostly seen on their margins or boundaries, and hence the plate boundaries are divided into देखो हम इजी पार्ट से शुरू करेंगे, फिर हम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी में जाएंगे. Now when you are reading maybe Savindra Singh, maybe खुल्लर, आपको यूलर्स थियरम भी आएगा, फाइन, और बहुत सारे टेक्निकलिटीज आएगी, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. प्लेट्स फॉलो यूलर्स थियरम बिकॉज कोई भी स्पेरिकल ऑब्जेक्ट व्हेन इट इज मूविंग इट विल फॉलो दैट रूल. ये मेंशन करने की जरूरत नहीं एग्जाम में. So what happens in the divergent plate boundary? No sea floor spreading. Tell me plate tectonics. कैसे लिखोगे आंसर in the divergent plate boundary? Remember the sea floor spreading का diagram same, but answer will be slightly different. कहाँ पे mountain? So will you call this as a mountain या mid oceanic ridge? Mid oceanic ridge. So क्या आएगा सबसे पहले? जहाँ पे the convectional currents diverge, the plates break. Due to breaking, the plates spread apart. This is known as divergent plate boundary. Point number 2, magma rises, solidifies. Point number 3, mid-oceanic ridges, the longest mountain system. Point number 4, the expanding plates are colliding with the continental plates. Oceanic plate collides with the continental plate. There is a subduction zone at the other end where the plate goes inside, the asthenosphere destroys. This is the region of trenches. The point of collision, as explained by the convergent plate boundary, is the region of mountains, and therefore trenches are always parallel to the mountains. देखो, trench is always parallel to mountains. You are right now not in the trench but in a डिप्रेशन. क्यों है डिप्रेशन? कल हमने देखा है इंडियन प्लेट कहाँ जा रहा है, एशियन प्लेट के नीचे. उसके बाद रिवर्स आई और रिवर्स ने उस डिप्रेशन में सेडिमेंट्स डाले. देयरफॉर वी विल कॉल दिस एज अ डिपोजिशनल प्लेन. एंड कोई भी गड्ढा, इफ देयर इज एनी काइंड ऑफ एन डिप्रेशन, इफ यू फिल इट तो ही वो फ्लैट बन जाएगा. कटिंग से कोई चीज फ्लैट नहीं होती, फिलिंग से होती है. So rivers ने लाए, rivers have deposited large amount of sediments resulting into flat topography. Fine, ये है divergent plate boundary. Question आएगा, मैंने जितने भी क्वेश्चन पूछे एक भी सिंगल क्वेश्चन नहीं है divergent plate boundary, क्योंकि सिंपल है. इससे भी सिंपल है ट्रांसफॉर्म प्लेट बाउंड्री, एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं है. क्वेश्चन आएगा फ्रॉम कन्वर्जेंट प्लेट बाउंड्री, volcanoes. But why then we are writing? Because there are two questions regarding earthquakes and volcanoes where you have to mention volcanoes, divergent plate boundary. कौन से volcanoes? Rift, fissure volcanoes. Fine. How it is? What it gives? Basalt. How is basalt? Does it spread? Yes, it spreads for a longer distance. But why it does not spread below the ocean? Because it cools. But basalt, अगर बाहर आते गया, if the volcanic eruption is occurring below the ocean, there is a layer of basalt, उसके ऊपर layer of basalt, उसके ऊपर layer of basalt, and if that basalt का layer comes below the water level, अब वो cool नहीं होगा, it won't cool that easily, so it will spread. Fine, it will not form mountain, then it will form plateau. Example, Iceland, Greenland. Getting it? Iceland and Greenland. Deccan Plateau is not mid-oceanic ridge. It is a hot spot. याद है? देखो कल का डायग्राम. If I make just the Atlantic, Greenland, Iceland, और ऐसा है mid-oceanic ridge. क्या है? The part which is below the sea, basalt cools very properly, it does not spread. But the part which comes out of the sea, अब it is not below the water, so it will not cool easily, so expand करेगा, flow करेगा, and it will then after cooling it has become Iceland and Greenland. Why it is known as Greenland? Why it is known as Greenland? What? Near poles. So green color क्या है poles? So because equator के पास थे तो ऊपर जाके, because it has olivine rocks. Olivine is a kind of an basaltic rock जो green color का होता है. Most of the basalt is generally black in color, but कभी कभी olivine अगर ज़्यादा रहा rock में तो उसका rock हो जाता है green color. Olivine, pure olivine आप अंगूठी पहनते हो और उसको कहते हो पन्ना. Fine. Green color का what it is known in English? In Hindi it is known as पन्ना, ग्रह दिशा बदलने के लिए. Fine. Green color का rock. किसका? मिड ओशनिक रिज का. अगर स्पेस कहीं ले रहा है तो डिस्ट्रॉय भी हो रहा है मार्जिन्स पे, बैलेंस हो रहा है. अगर स्पेस ले रहा था तो अर्थ एक्सपांड करता है, जितना राइज हो रहा है उतना ही उधर डिस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है. प्रॉपर इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन्ड है. इफ इट इज राइजिंग हियर इट इज गेटिंग डिस्ट्रॉयड कन्वर्जेंट प्लेट बाउंड्री पे. सो देयर इज अ प्रॉपर इक्विलिब्रियम, राइट? इसलिए सी लेवल राइज नहीं होगा, वो रीजन लोकली राइज होगा. आइसलैंड की हाइट, ग्रीनलैंड की हाइट विल कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग बिकॉज ग्रीनलैंड पे अब वी डोंट हैव मच वॉल्केनोज बिकॉज इट हैज नाउ बिकम मेटामॉर्फिक. आइसलैंड पे वी हैव लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वॉल्केनोज, कंटिन्यूअस वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन होता है आइसलैंड पे. सो आइसलैंड पे इसलिए द कंट्री विच मैन्युफैक्चर्स 87% ऑफ इट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्रॉम जियोथर्मल एनर्जी, दैट इज हीट इनसाइड द अर्थ. गेटिंग इट? इसलिए वहां की हवा वो सब इतनी क्लीन है क्योंकि कोल यूज ही नहीं करती वो कंट्री. 87% comes from geothermal energy which is a renewable energy. Why? Two things. Population कम है. What is the density of Iceland? एक जनरल आइडिया कितनी? What is the density of India? 365, 361, 368 कितना है? Means 360 persons per square kilometer. Fine. दिल्ली की कितनी है? 11,800 to 12,000 persons per square kilometer. आइसलैंड की कितनी है? 3 people per square kilometer. No population only. 1 किलोमीटर एरिया में there are only 3 people. Getting it? इसलिए कोई क्राइम का खतरा नहीं क्योंकि सब एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. Fine? There is no रिसोर्स के ऊपर कुछ प्रेशर ही नहीं है. Whatever the country earns is divided among a less number of the people. So per capita income is very very high. Fine? For every 4 people, Iceland has doctor, the best doctor to patient ratio. हर 4 लोगों के लिए there is a doctor. हर एक आदमी के लिए there is a teacher. Fine? Population, this thing. हमेशा हमेशा अब हम देखेंगे कन्वर्जन. हमेशा ट्रेंच इज नियर द कोस्ट. कोई जा ही नहीं पाएगा उधर. हैव यू गॉन टू ओशन सी? कभी समंदर गए हो? यू ट्रेंच तक तो पहुंच ही नहीं पाओगे. हो रहा है. हिमालय का एक सबडक्शन जोन है, दूसरा इंडोनेशिया का सबडक्शन जोन है, तीसरा न्यूजीलैंड का सबडक्शन जोन है. इक्विलिब्रियम हमेशा मेंटेन होगा. एंड सी इस डाउट इज रेलिवेंट क्योंकि हम ये क्रिटिसिज्म में लिखेंगे भी कि कुछ कुछ जगह इक्विलिब्रियम इज नॉट मेंटेन्ड. दैट मीन्स जो प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स कहता है जरूरी नहीं कि एक्सपांड होते जा रहा है. दैट इज वन स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स. राइट? कि एज पर द प्लेट टेक्टोनिक थियरी द अर्थ का एरिया शुड एक्सपांड बट द अर्थ का एरिया इज कांस्टेंट. राइट? देयर इज नो एक्सपांशन. Why there is no expansion? Because at many places there are subduction zone. फिर हमें एक criticism में लिखना है, but at some places the subduction zones are absent. Still, then why Earth is not expanding? Fine? Trench जहाँ होगा वहाँ पे हमेशा mountains होंगे, वहाँ पे sea beaches नहीं होंगे और वो sea beach में you cannot go. Trench छोड़ो. Where are the most tourism places? ईस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया या वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया? वेस्टर्न कोस्ट में. क्यों? क्योंकि वो है सबमर्ज्ड कोस्ट और धीरे धीरे अंदर गया है. सो समंदर की गहराई और डेप्थ इंक्रीजेस स्लोली. इफ यू गो टू द ईस्टर्न कोस्ट, वो दैट इज एन इमर्ज्ड कोस्ट. डेल्टा है और जहाँ डेल्टा नहीं वहाँ पे सडन देयर इज एन इंक्रीज. सो ट्रेंच इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग एट ऑल. फाइन? यू कैनॉट गो इनटू मरीना ट्रेंच. 12 किलोमीटर्स डीप है वो. उसके ऊपर कोई स्विमिंग नहीं करे. हाँ है. जो सियाल एंड सीमा की बाउंड्री होती है, हमेशा याद रखना ये जो हमारे सी कोस्ट है, सी बीचेस है, वो कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट ही है. यू सीमा पे आप जाते ही नहीं हो क्योंकि इतना गहरा हो जाता है ओशन, यू कैनॉट गो इनसाइड. फाइन? वैसे भी ओशन की डेप्थ से कोई नहीं मरता. People don't die in the oceans because of depth. People die because they get afraid of waves. अंदर खींचेगा बाहर फेंकेगा, अंदर खींचेगा, सो यू गेट अफ्रेड। इंडिया में ज़्यादा डेथ इसलिए होती है क्योंकि पानी में डूबने के बाद कुछ दिखता नहीं, इतना पोल्यूटेड वाटर है। फाइन, मॉरिशियस में सब नहीं मरते क्योंकि आपको पता है, तो ओरिएंटेशन खराब नहीं होता। सो चोकिंग के कारण मरते हैं लोग रादर देन डूबने से। वो लिखना चाहिए उधर, बिकॉज ऑफ पोल्यूटेड वाटर वो आदमी मर गया। फाइन, सो टेक डाउन। Divergent plate boundary, divergent plate boundary. These are also known as accreting plate margins. These are also known as accreting plate margins क्योंकि expand हो रहे, also known as accreting plate margins. Fine. Point number 1. Due to the ascending limbs, limbs of convectional currents, the crust breaks, causing the plates to drift away. Point number 2. Due to the drifting of the plates, क्या होगा, क्या ऊपर आएगा? मोल्टन लावा लिखोगे, मैग्मा लिखोगे? ऊपर आ रहा है मैग्मा, सॉलिडिफाई हो रहा है लावा। एनीथिंग बिलो द अर्थ इज मैग्मा। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग द मैग्मा विल राइज अप एंड सॉलिडिफाई, उसके लिए एक बेस्ट वर्ड है, the places of drifting away of the plates are upwelling zones. Upwelling means magma is coming up. So due to the divergent plate margins, due to the drifting of the plates, there is upwelling of magma, which cools to form mid-oceanic ridges. The regions of mid-oceanic ridges, are characterized by fissure eruption, FISSURE, fissure eruption, comma low intensity earthquakes, and upwelling of not andesitic, upwelling of देखो GS नहीं है ये तो आंसर, अदरवाइज GS जैसा लगेगा जो हम लिख रहे हैं। अपवेलिंग ऑफ पेरोडाइटिक मैग्मा, Perioditic magma forming peridolite, a kind of an basalt, forming peridolite rocks. Peridolite rocks. Next point. Similarly, the earthquakes, which lie in the mid-oceanic regions, or fracture zones, are shallow focus earthquakes. Shallow focus means their focus is not very deep in the earth, are shallow focus earthquakes. Next point. The expanding plate margin or the divergent plate margin comes in contact with the less denser continental rocks, and therefore it is subducted along the continental margins. Forming oceanic trench. These zones of subduction are also known as Benioff zones. Last point. Sometimes the mid-oceanic ridges can project above the ocean water. Example, Iceland or Icelandic plateau. You can write either Iceland or Icelandic plateau. Iceland or Icelandic plateau. You can draw the diagram. जब मेंस लिखोगे तो diagram should come first, then the description. I'll tell you such small mistake in the test only. Answer writing की practice में. how our diagram has changed, lithosphere आ गया. How our diagram has changed little bit. ये हमने इसमें fold mountains दिखा दिए along the Bennu also. वैसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा अगर वो वाला भी डायग्राम बनाया तो, बट दिस इज मोर प्रॉपर. अगर सी फ्लोर स्प्रेडिंग में डायग्राम बनाया तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. फाइन. If the question comes for short note, enough. Start with plate tectonics. If the question comes separately, you have an answer. 3 questions को हमें टारगेट करना है. प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स एंड अर्थक्वेक, प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स एंड वॉल्केनोस. लास्ट के 2 पॉइंट्स इज रिगार्डिंग दैट ओनली. फाइन. वॉल्केनोस, फिशर इरप्शन. अर्थक्वेक्स, लो फोकस अर्थक्वेक्स. लो फोकस अर्थक्वेक्स जितने भी होते हैं, जितना फोकस इज शैलो, remember earthquake is less powerful. जितना focus is deep, उतना the earthquake is more powerful. Because if the focus is deep, means this entire part will shake. Means उसके ऊपर का earth will shake more powerfully. जितना the focus is shallow, उतना the earth will shake less. Understanding? Why it is a low focus earthquake? You get an answer here. यहाँ पे कहीं तो earthquake will be generated. Fine? And then the waves will travel in other distance. Which earthquakes are more dangerous? Deep focus. That is convergent plate boundaries. Then it will travel in all the directions. One last point. 15% of world's earthquakes and volcanoes, 15% of world's earthquakes and volcanoes are located along the divergent plate boundary. Or located along the divergent plate boundary. No need of drawing this complicated diagram. This I am just doing to make you explain some of the things here. Understanding the three-dimensional view of this, क्या हो रहा है? This is one plate, this is another plate. Fine. So if this is one plate, fine, and कितने plates हैं? There are numerous plates. So if this is one plate here, there will be another plate. इसका I am drawing उसका boundary. Or suppose I am breaking this plate into two parts. That is our shaded area. I am shading this plate. And let us take an example. Okay, this is the plate A, this is the plate B, this is plate C, this is the plate D, this is plate E, and this is the plate F. And imagine a situation when the plate E and F are coming towards each other. That is, this is going to be which plate boundary? Convergent plate boundary. Fine. So यहाँ पे there will be mountains etc. But tell me the motion of plate E and plate A. Plate E is moving in one direction and the plate A is moving in opposite direction, right? Similarly, which boundary? Transform plate boundary. Take another situation. These two plates are moving in opposite direction. Understanding? Have you seen yesterday's lecture? So, you will have to watch yesterday's lecture first. Fine. So, these two plates are moving in opposite direction. As the two plates are moving in opposite direction, ठीक है, divergent, divergent. But these two plates are moving in the same direction. Which boundary it is? Again, transform plate boundary, because they are moving parallel to each other. Maybe not with the same speed. Obviously not with the same speed. These two. So this kind of a plate boundary in which plates move past each other or against each other is what is known as conservative or transform plate boundary. Why conservative plate boundary? Because neither the इन दोनों के बीच है, इन दोनों के बीच neither there is subduction and destruction of the earth's crust, neither there is divergence and creation of the earth's crust. अर्थ नीचे से मैग्मा आने के लिए एंड ओशनिक क्रस्ट बनने के लिए, फॉर ओशनिक क्रस्ट टू फॉर्म व्हाट हैज टू बी देयर हैज टू बी डाइवर्जेंस. फॉर द ओशनिक क्रस्ट टू बी डिस्ट्रॉयड देयर हैज टू बी convergence, but this is not happening here, and therefore this is conservative plate boundary. Fine. There is no need of making this diagram. All the conservative plate boundaries are always, this is mid-oceanic ridge, right? This entire part is a mid-oceanic ridge. This may be also a mid-oceanic ridge. This may be also a mid-oceanic ridge. All the conservative plate boundaries are always perpendicular to the mid-oceanic ridges. Getting it? Mostly. But there is one example of a conservative plate boundary which is not perpendicular. That is the most common example. उसके ऊपर movie भी बनी है. That is San Andreas movie. That is what is known as the San Andreas fault system. Will there be volcano? No. Will there be shaking of the earth? Yes. जब भी plate move करेगी तो earth हिलेगा. So there will be shaking of the earth. That is what is the conservative plate boundary or the transform fault. Understood? Everyone? Fine? Any doubts? The two plates are moving past each other, so there will be the conservative plate boundary. So you can take the conservative plate boundary. See, if you are missing the class, look at the videos, because हम एक एक concepts खत्म कर रहे हैं. Transform plate boundary or conservative plate margins. Transform plate boundary or conservative plate margins. Also known as, they are also known as shear plate margins. SHEAR. They are also known as shear plate margins. Shear plate margins. SHEAR. Shear plate margins. Fine. Such margins are formed when two lithospheric plates pass horizontal to each other. Slip horizontal or passed horizontal to each other along a fault. Pass horizontal to each other along a fault. Now what is a fault in geography? कुछ भी चीज which is a cracked is what is known as a fault in geography. So if this is one plate और अगर मैंने इसको तोड़ा, so it will become a transform plate boundary because they are moving. So that is crack will be known as fault. So when the two plates are moving, that is creating a fault. Why you should revise it? Because परसों के लेक्चर से fold, fault, rocks syllabus में नहीं है, fine, but they are required. So we will finish that in half an hour. जो GS में 4 lectures लगते हैं. We'll finish this all small topics in half an hour, because unless we don't do folding, faulting, rocks, we will not understand Davis and Penck. उसके बाद there is a Davis and Penck. Fine. In this case, since the plate is neither created nor destroyed, since the plate is neither created nor destroyed, it is known as conservative plate boundaries. Next point, the conservative plate boundaries are the regions of rift valleys, RIFT, rift valleys, and such rift valleys may have volcanic activities. Such rift valleys may have volcanic activities. Example, ये GS के लिए भी याद रखना, the Great East African Rift Valley The Great East African Rift Valley is the longest rift valley in the world, is the longest rift valley in the world. Fine. So before we do the rift valley, draw this diagram. Can you make it? You have two choices, कोई भी एक. Can I continue? The most powerful earthquakes in the world, most powerful earthquakes in the world generally occur along the transform plate boundary, generally occur along the transform plate boundary. Such volcanoes are known as volcanoes of fault zone. Occurs along the transform plate boundary. Such volcanoes are known as volcanoes of fault zone. Such volcanoes are sorry. Such earthquakes are known as the earthquakes of fault zone. No volcano. Such earthquakes are known as the earthquakes of fault zone. Example: San Andreas fault system. Example: San Andreas fault system. Example: San. How many of you have seen this movie? So, San Andreas fault system. San Andreas fault system is an example of a transform plate boundary. Which occurs due to which occurs due to the movement of North American plate, which occurs due to the movement of North American plate, Pacific plate, and Juan de Fuca plate. जुआन दे फुका प्लेट एग्जैक्टली दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं एग्जैक्टली कौन सी प्लेट कहाँ पे. दिस इज अ पैसिफिक प्लेट, दिस इज अ नॉर्थ अमेरिकन प्लेट. अब when they are pushing like this, understand what is happening. When American plate is pushing like this, the Pacific plate being denser is subducting, and because it is subducting वो ऐसे subduct हो रही है, and therefore American plate धीरे धीरे नीचे आ रही है and the Pacific plate धीरे धीरे ऊपर जा रही है. Subduct it is happening, subduction is happening नीचे, subduction is happening ऊपर, but in this region there is a small plate known as Juan de Fuca plate. So because the Pacific plate is subducting here and Juan de Fuca plate, ये पूरा Juan de Fuca plate है, it cannot subduct. So what is happening is the Pacific plate is pushing the North American plate slightly upwards, and इसीलिए अमेरिका ऐसा टूट रहा है. Getting it? This is what is the San Andreas fault system. Anybody carrying atlas? This, see how the California is breaking. Once upon a time ये दोनों जुड़ा हुआ था. This is how it is breaking. Map of North America. California plate. Getting it? Open the map of North America. South America से पहले यूरोप के जस्ट बाद वहां पे क्रैक दिखेगा कैलिफोर्निया में, गल्फ ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया. फाइन. दूसरा एग्जांपल ऑफ फॉल्ट सिस्टम, ओपन द मैप ऑफ एशिया और अफ्रीका, कोई भी, रेड सी. फाइन. कभी समंदर ऐसे सीधा होता है? नो, दैट इज फॉल्ट. हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई अ फॉल्ट? हमेशा सीधा होगा. फाइन. एज इफ किसी कोई खींच रहा है उन दोनों को. थर्ड एग्जांपल, वो प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स के कारण नहीं, वो नॉर्मल फॉल्ट है. प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स के ही फॉल्ट वी विल हैव टू डू. गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ. पहले गुजरात वाज, अब ऐसा लग रहा है गुजरात का किसी ने मुंह खोला है. राइट. सो दिस इज द फॉल्ट, अरेबियन प्लेट एंड इंडियन प्लेट की बाउंड्री. फाइन. सो दिस आर द फॉल्ट सिस्टम्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Yes, you have to make this diagram. You will have to write something about this diagram. क्वेश्चन आएगा, एक्सप्लेन द सैन एंड्रियास फॉल्ट सिस्टम, जैसे एप्लेशियन आया था. No, I have not drawn the symbol. Actually, this symbol shows both divergent and transform plate boundary. Fine. When we show divergent plate boundary, transform plate boundary, it's same symbol. Only different symbol will be for convergent. Symbol will be common for both. show the atlas. Have you finished drawing this? Can I continue? San Francisco and San Diego या San Diego. San Diego are both located on the Pacific plate, The Pacific plate lies on the western side of the fault. The Pacific plate lies on the western side of the fault, while the North American plate lies on the eastern side of the fault. North American plate lies on the eastern side of the fault. Lies on the eastern side of the fault. Fine. Next, change the paragraph. The Pacific plate is being carried in the northwestern direction. Pacific plate is being carried in the northwestern direction. ऊपर की तरफ, resulting into the formation of a fault which is 1050 kilometers long. A fault which is 1050 kilometers long. It is expected that in next 10 million years, बहुत लंबा समय, in next 10 million years, this part of California will break from mainland USA. This part of California will break from mainland USA. California will break from mainland USA. Break from mainland USA. Fine. जिनके पास atlas है, खोलना atlas. Open the map of North America. And those who don't have, please share it. Can you see where is Los Angeles? Can you see where is San Francisco? क्या होने वाला in the future? San Francisco जाएगा ऊपर की तरफ. And today where there is San Francisco, वहाँ पे city होगी Los Angeles. If human beings survive, this is how it is going upwards. So Los Angeles from this position will come to this position, and San Francisco from this position will be somewhere, and small island city. It will be breaking. Fine. Los Angeles today is a desert. When it will come northwards, वो बन जाएगा Mediterranean type of climate. Fine. So this is entire climatics will also change. So can you write direct question तो नहीं आएगा, ऐसे ही आएगा explain plate tectonics and write a short note on the San Andreas fault system. Are they known? San Andreas fault system, is it known for earthquakes? Yes, मूवी बनी है earthquake पे. San Andreas fault system is known for powerful earthquakes. वहाँ पे ऐसा है, if you go to California, now it has become a tourist. Government makes a road. After some years, road ऐसे हो जाता है. plate has moved northwards. Fine. लोगों के ऐसे फेंस है, घर ऐसे हो गए, फेंस ऐसे हो गए, उनके खेत में से ऐसी लाइन चली गई है. सो खेत दोनों एक लेवल पे था. इफ इट इज एग्जैक्टली ऑन द फॉल्ट, एक खेत ऊपर चला गया, दूसरा खेत नीचे आ गया. ये तो कॉमन है. इंटरनेट पे डालो सैन एंड्रियास फॉल्ट सिस्टम, ये फोटोज आएंगे रास्ते के एक्सेट्रा. रास्ता ही ऊपर चला गया. Because this is moving at a very very fast pace. Fine. Up we come to the most complex, that is the convergent plate boundary. Before I start, how many types of convergence? Convergent or destructive plate boundary. Fine. 3 types of convergence. What are the 3 types? Continent, ocean convergence, most common. उसके बाद continent, continent conversion. उसके बाद ocean, ocean convergence. So depending upon what is the question that is asked, इसमें आएगा आंसर में Andes, Rockies, Appalachians. Fine. अगर हिमालयस पूछा तो you'll have to explain continent collision. अगर Alps पूछा तो you have to explain continent collision. थोड़ा आंसर चेंज हो जाएगा. बट अगर पूछा जापान, फिलीपींस, इंडोनेशिया और एंटायर साउथ ईस्ट एशिया और कैरिबियन आइलैंड्स, you have to explain ocean convergence. Fine. Yes. It is an example of a continent collision. But the difference is Urals and Appalachian कोई और plates, Himalayas with the recent plates. Fine. क्या पूछा है अभी तक यूपीएससी ने? 2 बार ये, 1 बार ये दोनों. जीएस में पूछा है ये, ऑप्शनल में अभी तक ये नहीं पूछा है. फाइन. Can I continue? The convergent or destructive plate boundary, सबका introduction will be what we have written, quantitative evolution. उसके बाद 3 kind of plate margins and then directly jumping to what is asked. Fine. So the destructive or converging plate boundaries are also known as consuming plate margins. Are also known as consuming plate margins. Why consuming? What is consumed? Is the Earth's crust. That is the oceanic crust is consumed. Continental crust तो destroy होता ही नहीं है, कल ही हमने देखा. It is the oceanic crust that is created and destroyed. Next point. It occurs when the 2 lithospheric plates. It occurs when the 2 lithospheric plates moves towards each other. Occurs when the 2 lithospheric plates move towards each other, comma, collides, full stop, full stop, one of the plate, one of the plate bends and is subducted below the other plate, is subducted below the other plate and pulled into the mantle, and pulled into the mantle. The process of the process of descent of a plate, the process of descent of a plate, DESCENT, descent of a plate, and it's pulling in the mantle, it's pulling in the mantle, comma, melting, melting, pulling in the mantle, comma, melting, and it becoming magma, and it again converting into magma, and it again converting into magma, pulling in the mantle, melting, and again converting into magma, is technically known as subduction. So subduction का मतलब सुनो, ऐसा नहीं कि नीचे जाना मतलब subduction. क्या है subduction? It is being pulled, melts and becomes a magma again. That is a subduction. So does Indian plate subducts? No. Does Indian plate go below the Asian plate? Yes, but it does not become a part of magma. Therefore we say Indian plate does not subduct. So the plate जो सिर्फ नीचे चली जाती है but does not become a magma. Yesterday we have seen. So what is a subduction? This is what is subduction. One bends, fine. The other plate denser goes below, melts and becomes a part of magma. This is what is subduction. Indian plate, Eurasian plate bends. Indian plate just goes below the Eurasian plate but does not become a part of magma. Because it does not become a part of magma, हम कहेंगे इसको abduction. Had it become a part of magma, it would have been subduction. So subduction का meaning है geography. How many of you are having geography dictionary? कौन सी? If you want, then only you can buy geography dictionary. Physical geography and human geography की दो आती है. You are having separate or the same common dictionary या separate dictionary? पर उसका heading तो पता होगा physical की. So there are two dictionaries. एक graduation में compulsory था dictionary लेना. So वैसे वो कुछ काम की नहीं होती डिक्शनरीज, दो एवरीवन रिकमेंड्स की डिक्शनरी लो. डिक्शनरी दो आती है, एक फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी की, एक ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी की. सो उसमें ये सबडक्शन क्या है, सूडो वॉल्केनिक फीचर्स क्या है, एवरीथिंग इज गिवन. बट सी प्रैक्टिकली यू शुड हैव वन कॉमन डिक्शनरी जो फिजिकल एंड ह्यूमन ज्योग्राफी की कॉमन है. यू शुड नॉट हैव टू डिफरेंट बिकॉज वो इतनी मोटी है एंड उसमें हर एक वर्ड का मीनिंग है. सो पीपल से कि ये तो डिक्शनरी में से आया, but you see as a student you are not going to read this much. आने के बाद anyone can say ये डिक्शनरी में से आया, but can you predict डिक्शनरी में से क्या आने वाला है? Fine, so there is no practical use of the dictionary. डिक्शनरी के कुछ terms important है, especially in the human geography. I will give उसका xerox copy. I have a dictionary of the penguin. Penguin का dictionary is considered the best, but it has now stopped publication in India. So I will give you a xerox of some of the terms. Pace क्या है, possibilism क्या है, etc. Though we will be writing it, you should also know the dictionary meaning. Fine. Next point. The point where the subduction occurs, the point where the subduction occurs is marked by very deep valleys. Sorry, is marked by very deep ocean trenches. Is marked by very deep ocean trenches. Is marked by very deep ocean trenches. While full stop के बाद, this full stop, this trenches are parallel to the fold mountains. These trenches are parallel to the fold mountains because the collision of the plates, deforms or folds some part of the earth's crust, to give rise to deforms or folds some part of the earth's crust to give rise to the highest mountains. Example, Peru-Chile Trench is parallel to, कोई भी एक एग्जाम्पल लिख सकते हो. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू पेरू चिली ट्रेंच. कल के लेक्चर के बाद यू विल बी एबल टू राइट एनी एग्जाम्पल. पेरू चिली ट्रेंच इज पैरेलल टू Andes mountain system. Peru-Chile Trench is parallel to the Andes mountain system. Peru-Chile Trench is parallel to the Andes mountain system. Example, so you draw the diagram, this. Blue color is the trench. Have you read yesterday's news regarding UPSC, your exam? CSAT, 2 changes are proposed. CSAT को निकालना ही है. UPSC is going to eliminate CSAT paper because they are thinking it is useless qualifying. उसे अच्छा निकाल ही दो. And secondly, if you fill the form and don't go for exam, it will be counted as an attempt. But ये आएंगे, आने में टाइम लगेगा. CSAT I think they will do it this year itself. Because UPSC is of a view, वो कुछ काम का पेपर नहीं है. Neither in the personality development, neither in GS preparation, neither in the service. होता है नहीं, इतने बेटर एग्जांपल्स नहीं है वर्ल्ड में. डाइवर्जेंस जनरली ओशनिक प्लेट में ही होता है बिकॉज ओशनिक क्रस्ट ही टूटता है, कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट टूटता नहीं है. नहीं नहीं, दोनों कोलिजन हुआ, दोनों के कुछ पार्ट फोल्ड हो गए, ऊपर हो गया, फिर जो प्लेट है वो नीचे चली गई. सो जो फोल्ड माउंटेन्स बनेगा वो दोनों से बनेगा. दोनों का पार्ट विल बी फोल्डेड, ऊपर का, सिर्फ ऊपर का पार्ट. हाँ, माउंटेन्स में भी मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो शिवालिक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी हिमालयाज में क्या है, ट्रांस हिमालयास, ग्रेटर हिमालयास, मिडल हिमालय, शिवालिक्स. जो शिवालिक्स है वो प्रॉपर इससे बना है. सबसे पहले कौन सा बना, ट्रांस हिमालयास, उसके बाद ग्रेट हिमालयास, उसके बाद मिडल हिमालयास, उसके बाद शिवालिक. सो जो मिडल हिमालयास ग्रेट शिवालिक्स है तब तक टेथिस सी डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुका है. सो ट्रांस हिमालयास जो है, कैलाश, माउंट कैलाश, लद्दाख रेंज, काराकोरम रेंज, इसमें पूरा का पूरा सीमा है, इसलिए वो काला कलर का है क्योंकि सीमा इज बसाल्ट. जो ग्रेट हिमालयाज है उसमें दोनों है, सियाल एंड सीमा. एंड जो शिवालिक्स है वो सिर्फ सियाल से बने हैं. You will find all the evidences. See, that is why Himalayas में, give me the Oxford Atlas, someone. Himalayas में there are so many lakes. If you look at the map of India, this all are the lakes जो है, but all are saline lakes. Salinity के लिए evaporation has to be there. यहाँ पे temperature, winter temperature is -40, summer temperature is 10 to 18 degree Celsius. फिर भी saline क्यों? People say that it is the Tethys Sea. Tethys Sea का पानी जो बच गया है, these are these lakes. So Moriri, Pangong So, fine, Caspian Sea, Black Sea, this all is the Tethys Sea का remaining water. ये जो lakes है इंडिया में, this all are saline lakes. Salt के lakes है. Life is not possible in this. The most common is So Moriri, and the biggest one is Pangong So. Pangong So तो बहुत सारी मूवीज में आपने देखा है. 3 Idiots का लास्ट सीन पैंगोंग सो लेक, फाइन, जब तक है जहां का फर्स्ट सीन व्हेन ही पार्क्स हिज बाइक, पैंगोंग सो लेक, फाइन. सो दिस आर सो ब्यूटीफुल, अनपोल्यूटेड, बट लाइफ इज नॉट फाउंड. क्यों? इट इज सलाइन. सलाइन वाटर में नोबडी कैन स्टे. It depends upon, if the lava is coming from the oceanic crust, then it will be basaltic. But if the lava is coming from the continental crust, then it is granitic. हमने लिखा नहीं है अभी पूरा, हम तो अभी कर रहे हैं ये. तो इसके आगे के पॉइंट्स यही है, पेरिडोलाइट, और मैंने गलती से तब एंडीसाइटिक लिखा था. If you remember, andesitic is lava is always formed due to convergent plate boundary. Because why andesite? क्योंकि वो एंडीज में सबसे पहले स्टडी किया गया था. How it is different from basaltic? इसमें ग्रेनाइट है. Why granite? Because it is Sial. Getting it? जो लावा निकलेगा, because of this, it will be mostly granite. जो लावा निकलेगा from the sea floor spreading, it will be basalt. If the lava comes in Andes mountain, if the volcanic mountain is there, Rockies, Andes, in सब में volcano है, Mount Stromboli is a volcano, वहाँ से which lava will come? Granitic. Fine. Sea floor spreading से which lava will come? Basaltic. Why? Because Sial is granite and basalt and Sima is basalt. Fine. So the next point. There are 3 different types of convergent plate boundaries. There are 3 different types of convergent plate boundaries. First, ocean continental collision. Ocean continental collision. Ocean continental collision, which explains the formation of mountains such as Rockies and Andes, which explains the formation of mountains such as Rockies and Andes. Second, continent-continent collision. Continent-continent collision. in which both the converging plates are continental, in which both the converging plates are continental, and therefore such collision leads to very high mountains. Such plates lead to very high mountains, but no volcanoes. No volcanoes. No volcanoes due to absence of subduction. No volcanoes due to the absence of subduction. Due to the absence of subduction. समझ में आ रहा है? सबडक्शन ही नहीं है, दोनों प्लेट्स आर सेम, कॉन्टिनेंट एंड कॉन्टिनेंट. क्या है? एबडक्शन. पॉइंट नंबर 3, ओशन ओशन कोलिजन. Ocean ocean collision in which there is huge subduction, in which there is huge subduction, which leads to formation of island arcs, which lead to formation of island arcs having significant volcanic activities. Having significant volcanic activities. Having significant volcanic activities. Next point. The volcanoes of convergent plate boundary, of the convergent plate boundary, of the convergent plate boundary are rich in silica, and such magma is known as andesitic or ग्रेनाइटिक मैग्मा. एंडेसाइटिक. एंडीज में सबसे पहले स्टडी किया गया था. मैंने ये एग्जांपल क्यों लिया एंडीज का ही? द रीजन इज बिकॉज दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट सबडक्शन जोन, बिगेस्ट सबडक्शन जोन इन द वर्ल्ड. फाइन. डीपेस्ट मरीना ट्रेंच है, बट ये सबसे बड़ा है. दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव टेकन दिस एग्जांपल. एंडेसाइटिक और ग्रेनाइटिक. एक्सेप्ट, याद रखना, एक्सेप्ट ओशन ओशन कन्वर्जेंस, उसमें बसाल्टिक ही रहेगा. फाइन. सच मैग्मा बीइंग रिच इन सिलिका, such magma being rich in silica is viscous, 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 and therefore it solidifies quickly, and hence the subsequent or later explosions are of great intensity. The volcanoes of Rockies and Andes are prominent examples. The volcanoes of Rockies and Andes are the prominent examples. Fine. Next point. वॉल्केनो का पॉइंट हो गया, कौन सा पॉइंट बचा है? अर्थक्वेक्स. The earthquakes along the subduction zone, the earthquakes along the subduction zone are caused when the downward movement of the lithospheric plate, when the downward movement of the lithospheric plate, when the downward movement of the lithospheric plate, downward movement of the lithospheric plate releases energy, releases energy. Such earthquakes are generally deep focus earthquakes. Such earthquakes are generally deep focus earthquakes and are most destructive. Most destructive. Are most destructive. क्यों? जितना नीचे एनर्जी रिलीज होगा उतना ग्रेटर विल बी द P waves, S waves, and जितना ज़्यादा P waves, S waves, उतना greater will be the surface waves. Fine. If the energy is released here, imagine only small area is affected, but if the energy is released deep, larger area is affected. The last point, the earthquakes of circum-Pacific belt or the Pacific ring of fire, the earthquakes of circum-Pacific belt or the Pacific ring of fire are the best examples because this zone has 60% of world's earthquakes, 60%, 60% of world's earthquakes and volcanoes. This belt is formed because of subduction of the denser Pacific plate, subduction of denser Pacific plate below the Asian, no need of writing Eurasian, you can write just Asian, comma, Indian, and minor Philippines plate, Indian and minor Philippines plate. Minor Philippines split. Draw the diagram. देखो क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करते चलो ऑटोमेटिकली, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन ये नहीं आएगा प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स, वो आप अभी भी लिख सकते हो. क्वेश्चंस डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू विल बी प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स, अर्थक्वेक्स, प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स, माउंटेन बिल्डिंग. फाइन. याद है कल हमने ये देखा ना, सेम पैसिफिक प्लेट, इंडियन प्लेट, फिलीपींस प्लेट, एशियन प्लेट, सेम डायग्राम वी आर मेकिंग. देखो जरूरी नहीं यू मेक अ एग्जैक्ट ट्राइंगल्स एंड शो कि ये कन्वर्जेंट प्लेट बाउंड्री है, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. यू कैन ड्रॉ सिंगल लाइन जो मैंने पहले बनाई थी, बिकॉज एग्जामिनेशन में टाइम बचाना है. Is the Panthalassa reducing in size? Right? Panthalassa is Pacific Ocean. क्यों reduce होगा size में? क्योंकि it is subducting. So plate tectonics भी यही कह रहा है. एक दो माउंटेन्स का नाम लिखना है. Mayon, choice is yours. Don't write here. I have left this space because you have to write something which is more important than Mayon. Show me the atlas. जितना याद रख सकते हो, वैसे भी दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर जीएस प्रीलिम्स आल्सो, सो जितना याद रख सकते हो रखो. You don't have to draw the diagram of India अगर आप बॉक्स बना देते हो. Fine. Why it is known as Pacific Ring of Fire? यहाँ पे कंटिन्यूस वॉल्केनिक इरप्शंस है, कभी ना कभी कंटिन्यूस अर्थक्वेक है. जापान में आफ्टर 3 minutes there is a earthquake, and after every 3 minutes there is an earthquake in Japan. New Zealand also same, because they are located on the plate boundary. In Delhi, you will be scared. After every 8 minutes there will be an earthquake. Only thing is P waves and S waves lose the intensity, इसलिए we do not feel it, but seismograph records हर 8 मिनट के बाद there is an earthquake. Remember, we are very near to the plate boundary, Himalayas. What was your doubt? ज़्यादा increasing, but Himalayas is continent collision, इसीलिए हिमालयास की हाइट ज़्यादा दिखती है. इंडियन प्लेट का मूवमेंट ज़्यादा फास्ट हो रहा है, इंडियन प्लेट की वेलोसिटी ज़्यादा है. देखो ना साइज का डिफरेंस देखो, इंडियन प्लेट इज वेरी स्मॉल एज कंपेयर टू दिस बिग प्लेट्स. सो जो छोटा है इट विल मूव स्विफ्टली. मरियाना ट्रेंच क्यों डीपेस्ट है? दिस इज अ छोटी फिलीपींस प्लेट, पैसिफिक प्लेट, सबडक्शन हो रहा है. उससे पहले इंडिया हो जाएगा. साउथ, हाँ, साउथ एंड नॉर्थ अमेरिका को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, फर्क पड़ेगा पैसिफिक ओशन को. पैसिफिक खत्म हो जाएगा, विच इज सबडक्टिंग पैसिफिक. what is going to happen very fast? It is subducting. ये बेरिंग स्ट्रेट है between North and South America, between Asia, Russia and USA. Russia and USA कितना भी दुश्मनी करे, they are going to touch one day, fine. And यहाँ पे फोल्ड माउंटेन होगा just like Himalayas. उसके बाद ये पूरा टच हो जाएगा. पैसिफिक ओशन एक दिन गायब हो जाएगा, बट इट विल टेक मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स, 250 मिलियन ईयर हमने एनिमेशन में देखा था, फाइन. Indian and Atlantic. Indian Ocean is expanding very fast. There will be no dates, only human beings नहीं होंगे तो why dates? So 250 billion years you think human beings can survive? Impossible. पोल्यूशन इतना कर दिया हमने कि इम्पॉसिबल. अगर लाइफ होगी तो टेम्परेट एंड पोलर रीजन्स में होगी, ट्रॉपिक्स में तो नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल. स्टीफन हॉकिंग सेज 2100 एंड ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी ऑन द अर्थ, बट जनरली व्हाट ही प्रेडिक्ट्स इज ट्रू, फाइन. इसलिए तो बजट में इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स, इनको भी रियलाइज हुआ कि नहीं कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई आवर बजट इज फोकसिंग ऑन इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स, फाइन. अदरवाइज इंडिया में रहना इम्पॉसिबल हो जाएगा. ये जो टेम्परेचर 45 डिग्री है ये 65 डिग्री होने वाला है 2025 तक, अगर इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स नहीं आए तो. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हम कोल से प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग नाउ, इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स within 8 to 9 days, in the next 8 to 9 days Hyundai is going to launch a major electric car, Kona. Problem is 25 लाख. क्या फीचर्स मिल रहे हैं जो सैंट्रो में है, सेम वही फीचर्स आपको कोना में मिलेंगे. सैंट्रो कितने में आती है, 6.5 लाख में. टॉप मोस्ट मॉडल, ऑटोमेटिक बिटोमेटिक सब मिला के, सनरूफ विनरूफ हो सकता है तो वो भी डाल के, फाइन. 6 लाख. कोना का बेस मॉडल 25 लाख. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. So why that is the problem? Because these cars are not dependent on coal. These are on lithium ion batteries, and lithium ion batteries are imported from Europe. इसलिए cost is very high. Right? Getting it? So we'll meet tomorrow then. Fine? How many of you are free at 2 o'clock? If I change the class timing to 2 o'clock, all of you can come, fine. क्योंकि ये अब 5 बजे वाली बैच शुरू ही हो गई है, तो 2 o'clock. बट आज कल से नहीं, परसों से हम करेंगे 2 o'clock का बैच टाइमिंग, फाइन. आज अगर टाइम पास करने का मन है तो गो एंड वॉच जितना डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज ऑन प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स, कल और क्लियर हो जाएगा. बिकॉज वी हैव नॉट इट फिनिश्ड. हमें हिमालयाज, एप्लेशियन ये सब लिखना है. यू जस्ट रिटन अर्थक्वेक एंड वॉल्केनोज, फाइन. ये रहने ही दीजिए. Whose book is this?